Hi traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how to analyze the charts like a pro and be profitable in the forex market like the pros. And after this video, if you don't know how to analyze the charts by yourself and place trade by yourself, that means you really need to rewatch the video again, because this is the simplest way I can ever or anyone can explain something for you. Am I understood? So my name is James Gides. I teach you how to make some cool lot of money in the forex market and show you the basic strategies and break it down that even a 12-year-old or even an 80-year-old child can understand. I'm understood. That is how simple I break my things. So if you've not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you find value in the video, smash the like button. So right here, I'm going to show you how to analyze the charts like a pro and start making some cool lot of money. I know you need it. You need it. And stick tuned to the very end if you don't want to miss the step-by-step guide to your success. And as a beginner, there are currency pairs you need to focus on, right? Example, we have the GBP USD, Euro USD, USD JPY. We have GBP JPY. Those are the currencies you should focus on as a beginner. So first thing first, as a beginner, you need to start from 4-hour time frame, right? You need to start from 4-hour time frame. And if you want to place a trade, or if you are done with your analysis and you want to place a trade, you can place your trade from 1 hour time frame or from 15-minute time frame. I'm understood. And before we dive into knowing how to analyze the chart like a pro, you have to know your support and your resistance, right? What is support and your resistance? As you can see, down here is your support, right? Here is your support, where price hit and get back up is your support. And as you can see, up here is your resistance, right? Up here is your resistance, right? I hope that is very, very clear. And before you start analyzing the chart, you have to mark out some key areas, right? You have to mark out your lower low and your lower high. Very, very important, in such a way that those are the levels that price might likely get to after some movements in the market. And all I want you to do right now, as you're starting with 4-hour time frame, I will advise you to mark out your support and your resistance, the higher high, the higher low. Let me show you how to do that. So first thing first, I use trading view to analyze my chart. I'm understood. Come over to this trend line right here. There's your trend line. You can go over and click on this arrow right there, so you can come over and select your horizontal line, right? But all I want you to do is to start it so that they will appear on the surface like this. I'm understood. Now that we have now our support and our resistance, it's time to mark out the key levels. So first thing first, click on your horizontal line and mark out your resistance zone, right? You can mark out your resistance zone, or you can use this rectangle tool to mark out your resistance zone also. I'm understood, right? As you can see, I just marked it out, so you can mark it out like that. And as you can see, instead of marking it out so many times, you can just draw it down like this. That means it has covered this one, and this one right here. I'm understood. And that was why I said, okay, at this price will possibly get to this particular area, right? And if it gets to this particular area, that means it will play around this particular zone right here, around this higher high, right? First thing first, you have to mark out your lower lows, right? As you can see, here are my lower lows, right? Here are my lower lows. This one, my lower high. This zone and this zone are respected. I'm understood. Why this zone and this zone, right? Let me show you something, guys. This zone and this zone respected, right? And this area and this area respected. I hope that's very clear. That is the major reason why you need to mark out your support and your resistance, right? Every zone or every support and resistance must be respected. We still have another resistance right here, right? Still have another resistance right here. So that is the major reason of drawing your horizontal line, and that will give you the clarity of where the price is going to. As you can see, when it gets past this horizontal line right here, the next level was this level, right? So after this level now, we have a little level here, but this level might not be respected. So under probability, so our next key level is this particular place right here. So if for you not to be greedy, all you're just going to do right here, when price get to this place right here, right, just take your profit and leave. If you don't take your profit and leave at this particular level, it might get back on you. I'm understood. Now when it gets to that particular level, all you're just waiting for is to watch if price will get to this particular area, which always might be difficult. So at the same time, once you see a price coming down like this, respecting that same zone, all you're just going to do is to bring out your trend line. As you can see, our trend line respect this higher high, right, with this high right here, and same thing, respect that particular zone, get back here and respect this particular zone. So at this point, maybe this price will just get back to this particular zone. Don't forget that we are still around 4-hour time frame. All right, if you get to 1-hour time frame, you will see that that particular zone is being respected, right, and price is making some move around that particular zone right there. So all you are waiting for now, price might break this zone right here. If price break this zone, all you're going to do right now, since you are around 1-hour time frame, or you can take your first profit around this zone, as you can see. Well, that's why you need to mark out your support and your resistance before you know that thing. When it gets to this place, right, don't enter the market, right, don't enter. Just wait for it to break this particular zone right here. Once it break this particular zone right here, the next level is this particular level right here. I'm understood. Count your rectangle to you draw it, you will find out that that zone is still respected. So immediately price break this zone right here in 1-hour time frame, it might come all the way down to this particular level here. Then you take your profit. Then wait for it if it to break this side. Once it break this side, you take your profit somewhere this side. That's just as simple as that. So if you find value in the video, all I want you to do right now, smash the like button, smash the like button. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'm understood. First thing first, you have to have all of this in mind. Choose the currency that is okay by you, right? Choose a currency that is okay by you, that you can play around with. So as a new trader, you analyze your charts from 4-hour time frame. Then you place your trade around 1-hour to 15-minute time frame. I'm understood. That will help you a lot. Mark out your support and your resistance so that you will know where the price is going to. I'm understood. Now, as a new trader, all I want you to do right now, don't trade during the news time. Right? Don't trade during the fundamentals. You can download FX book on your device, right? Or you can use the website. I'm understood. Here is where you will possibly check when news will be dropping, time that they will be dropping, right? All those ones marked are the news that has dropped. USD will be dropping around 13 hours 56 minutes. Now is the time for you to settle down and trade, right? And pack all the money you can pack in the market before this particular news drop. Immediately is about to drop, respect yourself. If you're in profit, take it out. If you're not in profit and you want to wait for the news, is at your risk. Now, throughout today, there's no high impact news, so you can possibly trade comfortably. Now, listen, once you break here, you keep selling, all right? So right here, you can possibly click the link at the description, join my Telegram community, and if you want one-on-one class, I have paid class, I have free class, you can probably send me an email and we'll send you our price list, and from there your journey will kickstart and you'll start making some cool lot of money. So see you guys in the next video and peace out.